When using myViewBoard, you might want to open up files that you've already created, like PowerPoints or documents. In order to do this, you need to find the magic box icon located in the main toolbar. When you open this, you're going to see a window with a lot of icons on the top. These give you the ability to access other tools and features like YouTube or adding images. We're just going to focus on the importing files features. You'll notice here that the Windows opens to my local storage, and I can switch between my local storage, aka stuff on my computer, to other things like my cloud storage such as Google Drive and OneDrive. Note that if you don't see your Google Drive or OneDrive, you may not be signed in or you may not have bound these cloud storages. So head over to our account setup and getting started playlists to make sure that everything is set up before you try this step. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into our Google Drive here, and we will add a file to our presentation. Now, in order to navigate folders when you are in your cloud storage or your computer, it's always a double tap or a double click. These folders here contain files that I can access just by double tapping, but if you need to, you can also search your files up at the top, so you'll see a search bar there. So let's go ahead and try to find a PDF or something simple that we can open. So it'll show all related file types from my search, and all I'm going to do here is find my file and double tap it, which will download the file from my Google Drive, not editing the original. And then this window will let me pick what pages from my file I want to open. So I'm going to select pages 1 and 2, although I could select all. Notice here that the default import is what we call import as object, meaning that if the file type supports it, like Google Slides or PowerPoint, it will open as an editable file that I can then interact with. Same with Smart Notebook and Promethean Flipchart files. If I choose import as background, this is a still image, so there would be no interactivity. We're going to leave it on import as object, and then over here on the right, you'll see I have two choices, import landscape or portrait. Landscape means the document's going to be zoomed in. If I choose portrait, it's just going to show the whole page on the whiteboard. So let's go ahead and choose portrait for our import. And you'll see here that page 1 comes in as well as page 2. So every page gets its own page in the myViewBoard software. So if you have files on your computer in your cloud storage, open the magic box, import them, and get right to work.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to PDTeamUS@viewsonic.com.